In today's Talented Creators Open Collaboration, we are going to be using peel and stick or window clings, and this is the one that I'm going to be using. Beginning with our first project, these glass vase, I am totally in love with them. They are so gorgeous. Now I am going to be using these window clings throughout my video, telling you that these window clings, you can put them anywhere. If you want this to be permanent, just add a little bit of Mod Podge. And I also have this little butterfly, and this is where I'm going to be putting this one at. This candle holder, I'm going to be adding plenty of hot glue, and I'm going to be gluing both of these items together. Nice and simple. And now for less than $2, look at how beautiful. This is a pretty lantern or a candle holder. Of course, you could add whatever candles you want in the inside, but these are so gorgeous, nice and classy, so that's the one that I'm going to be using. I have another candle holder, and I'm going to be using the same procedure. A little bit more of hot glue, and then I will be gluing the second vase right here. They're a little bit different but similar. For the next window cling, because it's a little larger than the other one that I used, I'll be snipping it with my scissors. I just want to make sure that when I place this on this vase, because it's kind of like oval, it's going to be nice and flat on the glass. And I didn't do this to the other one because the other one was a smaller piece and it was not getting wrinkled. It just fit right to the T. And here it is, my dear friends. Let me know what you think. I love these little tea lights as well. I hope you enjoy it. For our next project, I have more window clings. I have this beautiful bunny, and this one I'm going to be placing it right on top of this egg basket. And I purchased this, I think it was 3 years ago at Dollar General, and I'm going to be doing the same thing to this bunny. I'm going to take it out and I'm going to be snipping it here and there so like that it could just fit nice and flush to this surface. I have a second piece and I will be doing the same thing. And today's video is part of the Talented Creators Open Collaboration or Open Playlist. This is being hosted by myself, DIY with Aurea, along with Loli D's Creation. This month guest host is Marla from The Cheek Show. I'm going to be leaving the links down below in my description box along with a playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give them lots of love. Let them know that I sent you. These creators have a lot of inspiration, so don't forget that as soon as you watch this video, jump right into theirs. So I'm done with the first basket, and this one I'm just going to add those little carrots. And I did the same thing. I snipped it here and there, and now it just sits nice and flush. My dear friend, and this is it for these two beautiful ceramic eggs with the window clings. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. You are gonna love this project. I purchased this for 50 cents at a garage sale, and I purchased it just as you see it here. It had no back to it, but no big deal. I'm gonna be taking this mirror out, and this is like a smoky mirror, as you can tell. I'm gonna be giving it 3 coats with this blush color. Once it's completely dry, then I am going to start decorating it. Once I'm done painting this frame, I'm going to put it to the side, and then I am tracing this glass to a foam board. I will cut it, and this is what I am going to be using for the back section of my frame. I purchased this beautiful paper at Dollar General, and of course it was a book full of different patterns. This is the one that I chose. I also took a window cling and I added to this frame, and look at how beautiful this is. But I am not done. I also have these edgers. They are made out of wood. I'm going to be placing a little bit of hot glue right here in the corner, and I am going to be gluing them on all 4 of these corners, but in the inside, just as you see here. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Well, my dear friend, what do you think about this one? I am loving it. If you are enjoying what you see on this video, don't forget to give me that big thumbs up. It will help my channel. And here it is, my dear friends. Look at how gorgeous this turned out. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. I hope you enjoy it. Moving along to our next project, I found this beautiful cutting board at Dollar General. I'm not going to be touching this section here because I want it to be a two-sided. And of course, I took this peel and stick. I just put it right on that cutting board. I'm going to come in with my X-Acto knife or my whatever knife this is called. I'm going to call it X-Acto knife. I am going to be cutting the excess off. I'm going to be painting half of the board with white chalk paint and then the other half with that blush color. Using my heat gun to make sure that it's dry nice and quick, and then look at the pattern. Look at how gorgeous this looks. Doesn't this look pretty? So now the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I am going to be placing this white and pink ribbon, and I'm going to be gluing it with some hot glue. So there we go. Now let's go ahead and pull out the window clings, and I'm going to be adding two little beautiful Easter bunnies. Look at how, oh my god, I think this is my favorite, but you guys get to vote. You guys get to let me know which one is the one that you like so far. Now on this one, I am adding Mod Podge to the back of the little bunnies because of course I want to make sure that this stays in place for a very long time. And I'm adding more Mod Podge on the white section where the bunnies are at, only because I want to make sure that this stays nice and put. So I'm going to take these wood letters and I'm going to be spelling out the word hop. And then with more white chalk paint, I'm going to be painting all three of them. And then of course, I'm going to be placing them on the cutting board. I'm going to be wrapping this jute cord right here on the neck of the cutting board, making sure that it looks nice through both sides. And that little hole right there, I forgot to take out the excess, but I'll be fixing that with the X-Acto knife as well in just a few minutes. Once I looked at the board nice and close, I thought it needed more window clings, so I am going to be adding another little butterfly and some flowers. And I think that this looks a lot better. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section your thoughts. And also, my dear friends, don't forget to visit the playlist down below for more inspiration. Make sure that you give them that thumbs up. And my dear friends, again, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe. I noticed that a 70% of the viewers that visit my channel are not subscribed, and I would love for you to subscribe so you could be part of our growing family. And here it is, my dear. I am going to show you the final review. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am going to be giving this to my daughter. And here is the final review. I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to be taking this wood slice and I'm going to be painting only one section with this blush color. And I'm just going to give it one coat. After it's nice and dry, then I'm coming in with some more Mod Podge. And of course, I'm going to be putting it right here on this wood slice because I'm going to be using another window cling. I'm going to be putting a piece of jute cord right around here. I'm going to tie both ends and then I'm going to be putting it in a vase. Let me know what you think about this simple DIY. Once upon a time, I went to Michael's and I picked up, I believe it was like 6 of these pictures for $5. This one I painted with white chalk paint. I added these little foam stickers and this prevents surface from scratching. I am going to turn it around and I have some stickers, some wall stickers, and I'm going to be putting them because this is going to be going to my laundry room. And I know this is not peel and stick, and I know this is not no window clings, but I just thought I'd throw this one in there because it just came out so beautiful. I want somebody to see it and I just want to show you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start peeling and sticking and putting them wherever I think it looks nice. Just there's nothing for me to explain, just sit and watch because this is self-explanatory, and I am just hoping that you do enjoy it. And again, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as part of my community. Again, don't forget that playlist because there's so much inspiration on that playlist. You do not want to forget it, okay? Now keep watching and let me know at the end of the video which one is your favorite, and also if you like it, hey, you know the routine, just give me a big thumbs up. It's gonna help my channel. Well, my dear, thank you so much for sticking around until the end of this video. I truly appreciate your time and support. It means the world to me. I hope that you found this project inspiring, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Stay tuned for more fun and creative ideas to come.